Hi, my name is Marty Walters. I started Real Straw LLC. We have one product. It's wheat drink straws. It's made out of natural wheat stems. These natural wheat stems work great in hot and cold drinks, and they're going to take the place of plastic straws. So the problem with plastic straws is that they represent the vast majority of the 500 million straws used in the U.S. every day. We made an apples-to-apples comparison between three alternatives to plastic straws: corn-based straws, paper straws, and wheat stem drink straws. Corn-based straws look and act a lot like plastic, but they have serious biodegradability issues and a very complex manufacturing process. We found two types of paper straws: cheap imported straws that were of poor quality, and U.S.-made straws that were of high quality but very expensive. The third straw we looked at was wheat stem drink straws, and they turned out to be pretty cool. They're naturally gluten-free. Consumers give them high reviews. They are great for hot and cold drinks, so we imported a bunch of all-natural wheat stem drink straws for our initial customer base. We also purchased 10 acres on which to organically grow our own special strain of wheat to make a great straw. Real Straw is a simple, elegant, and fun solution to a big problem. With your help, we can grow it in New York.